I mean, I think people really, when deciding who to vote for, you ask yourself the questions: what your priorities in life, and what your priorities are for the people around you, and that care about you, and that you care for. Voting Labor is about improving education for your kids or nephews or any kids that are in your life. Healthcare is something that Labor always invests heavily in. Every one of us will get sick at one point in our lives, and you need a robust healthcare system to handle those sorts of things. Also investing in jobs, in workers' rights as well. Those sorts of things give you stability, financial stability. It allows you to live your life. So those are the things that I would recommend people to think about coming up to this election, and understand that Labor is the party not just that cares about these things, but it's the party that can form government. Therefore, it's not about empty promises or empty rhetoric. It's about promising something and being able to actually deliver it. And that's what I would suggest to people to think about with this election coming up.
Would you be able to explain further for us what some of those promises are, and the necessity that they go forward here in the state of Victoria?
Well, in terms of multiculturalism and the harmonious society that we're trying to have here in Victoria, Labor's going to invest in multi-language classes, which helps people like myself who come from a Latin American background to foster and keep some of that identity with us. We are Australian, but we can also be from a different ethnic background and bring that part into our Australian identity. And language is a big part of that. Other promises are, about all the infrastructure that's being built. We're going to continue that. Instead of the 50 level crossings, it's going to be 75 that are being taken away now. And it's that heavy investment in the infrastructure, for the growing population of Melbourne and Victoria. We're soon going to become the biggest city and then the biggest state of the country. So we need to have, public transport and a road network to be able to handle just that population. And that's what Labor's investing in.
What does the return of the government to the Liberals mean for the men and women of Victoria?
If the Liberals were to win, you'd see basically a change in the tone in the way everybody interacts with each other. You can tell just by the way they're running their campaign. Theirs is a very negative campaign. They're trying to foster fear. They're trying to create division by, talking about youth gangs and things like that, when the crime statistics say something completely different anyway. That's what they try and do. They foster fear. They look out for their big mates, the big business mates, tax cuts for them, that sort of thing. They're not interested in investing in schools and education. They're not really interested in investing in public health care. That's just not part of their DNA.